The heartbreaking life story of Anna. My name is Anna. I am 21 years old. I study at a university. I live only with my father. My mother died 3 years ago. After that, my life started to change in ways I never expected. Anna, my dear, I have something important to tell you. One day my father said that to me. I couldn't imagine what he was going to say. Tell me, Dad, I replied. My dear, I've decided to get married again. I was a little surprised when he said that because he once told me he would never marry again. Is that really true, Dad? I asked, but deep down I felt like his decision wasn't wrong. I'm okay with you getting married again, Dad. When I said that, his eyes lit up with joy. So, not long after he got married. He married a woman named Jane. Without hesitation, I even started calling Jane Mom. But after a while, Jane changed. I began to feel that she didn't like me much. She started telling my father wrong things about me. So he started getting angry with me more often. Sometimes Jane and my father would go out together for meals, leaving me alone at home. During those times I felt really sad. I had hoped that the three of us could live happily as one family. Eventually I got used to being alone. Jane slowly distanced me from my father. That hurt me deeply. After I finished university, I quickly found a job. I also rented a small place to live. I did all this without telling my father. I decided to leave home because I couldn't live with Jane anymore. Dad, I'm leaving, I told him before I left. Why did you suddenly make this decision, Anna? He asked, but I didn't say anything. Just let her go. She's a young woman now. She needs to learn how to live on her own. Jane said that, looking at me with a spiteful expression. So I left home the very next day. I felt incredibly sad thinking back to how life used to be. When my mother was alive, we lived so happily as a family, but now everything has changed. So I got used to living alone in my small house. It's really hard, but I had no other choice. And this is my story, the sad story of a young girl who got used to being alone. Thanks for listening this story.